let's focus on the sound that can be heard in the beginning of words, like in lot, in the middle of words, like in yelled, and in the end of words, like in doll. To make the sound, keep your teeth apart and drop your jaw a little. Put the tip of your tongue against your top front teeth. Keep the sides of your tongue flat. Let the air flow around the sides of your tongue. Your voice is on, so you should feel vibration in your throat. Oh. 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 Now you try to say the sound. Today we'll learn how letters make certain sounds and how we use those sounds to decode and read words. The letter L is a consonant that makes the voiced sound, like in the word lot. We'll use the sound when decoding a word with the letter L. We'll say each sound from left to right, then blend the sounds together to read the whole word. Let's practice decoding a word with the sound. First, look at the word. Then, say each sound from left to right, remembering that the letter L makes the sound. T. Lot. Now you give it a try. Great job! You just decoded and read the word lot. Have fun practicing decoding words with the letter or consonant L, which makes the sound.